Last time we dropped a status snapshot straight into the inbox, perfect for executive who just wants to scan. But your ops team and your stakeholders need to use the dashboard, filter it, drill into it, trust that it's current. A static ML can't do that. So today I will show you how to host your dashboard on their cloud, logged behind your company login as one permanent link. In about 15 minutes, you will be able to do this tomorrow. Here is the sheet. The email is the snapshot. The cloud is the tool. We are going to put the real interactive dashboard on Microsoft Azure as a static web app and gate it with your organization's own login, so only people inside your company can open it. No public exposure, no attachment flying around, no which version is the latest, one link, always live. Let's build it. I will go part by part, follow along. 2 quick installs. First, Node.js. Grab the LTS version. I recommend installing it through NVM, the Node version manager, because it saves you from the classic library not loaded error on Mac later. Second, the Azure Static Web Apps CLI. One command, see it on the screen, and that's our whole toolkit. So, we start with static web app. In the Azure portal, create a resource, then static web app. Pick your subscription, create or choose a resource group, and name your app. Now, the one setting people miss. Set the plan to standards. The free plan can't do custom authentication, and that's the whole point today. So, the standard it is, rich and global. Under deployment details, set source to other. We are deploying from our own machine, not hooking up a wrapper. Review and create. Now, we tell your company's identity system about this app. Go to Microsoft Entra ID, app registrations, new registration. Name it, and for account types, choose accounts in this organization directory only. That single choice is what locks the dashboard to your company. Outside accounts simply can't get in. For the redirect URI, pick web and enter your future site URL followed by this link. We will confirm the exact URL after deploy. Hit register. Now, from the overview page, copy 2 things: the application client ID and the directory tenant ID. Keep them handy. Go to Certificates and Secrets, New Client Secret. Give it a description and expire. Click Add and copy the value immediately. Azure shows it once and never again. Miss it and you will start this step over. Last thing here. Open authentication and under implicit grant, tick ID tokens and save. Skip this and your login fails within a row, so don't skip it. 2 pieces of wiring. First, back in your static web app, open environment variables and add 2. AAD client ID set to your client ID and AAD client secret set to the secret value. Save. Second, in your site folder, we just need your index.html and one config file. Create staticwebapp.config.json. This file is what forces a login onto every page. So next, swap in your real tenant ID in the issue URL. The routes block says every path requires an authenticated user, and the 401 override means anyone not signed in gets bounced to the login automatically. Time to ship it. In your static web app, open Overview, manage deployment token and copy it. Now, and this trips everyone up, go to your parent folder of your site, not inside it. Then run SWA deploy your site folder, deployment token, environment production. If you run it from inside the site folder, you will get a current directory error. So always deploy from a parent. A few seconds later, you will get your live URL. That's your permanent link. 2-minute finish. Take that deployed URL and make sure it matches the redirect URI set in the app registration. If it doesn't, add it under authentication, redirect URIs, and save. Give Azure 2 to 5 minutes to propagate. Auth changes aren't instant. Now open the link. It redirects you to your company sign-in, you log in with your corporate account, and the live dashboard loads. That's it. Send that one link to your ops team and your stakeholders. It's secured to your organization. It's always the latest version, and it's fully interactive, a tool they can actually act on, not a screenshot they forget. One housekeeping note: client secrets expire. Set a calendar reminder to rotate it before the expiry date so the link never goes dark. Now you've got the full loop. Build the dashboard, snapshot it into the inbox for execs, and host the live version on one secure link for everyone who needs to work with it. I've put the staticwebapp.config.json template and a step checklist in the description. Go to grab them. And if you want to take this further, head over to my channel. Next, we will wear this hosted dashboard up to after refresh from your data, so it updates itself with zero manual work. Subscribe. Let's keep turning AI into work you couldn't do before.